In West Texas and San Angelo in particular were woken up with thunder and lightning this morning. Had calm activity most of the day up until the afternoon, and now we're starting to see a line of showers and thunderstorms. See those storms just to the south of Abilene. Those aren't severe. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning for Eastland, Erath, Palo Pinto, and eastern portions of Stevens County till 10:45. You see that flashing yellow box near Gordon. Potential for some quarter-sized hail, and looking at the winds inside the thunderstorm, also that potential for some 60-mile-an-hour winds. See that green polygon for places like Lone Camp towards Caddo. That's a flash flood warning until early Wednesday morning. Remember, if you find yourself on a flooded roadway, turn around, don't drown. There's a severe thunderstorm watch that includes Abilene until 11 and a new severe thunderstorm watch for Coleman, Brownwood, McCulloch County eastward until 2 a.m. Wednesday morning. If you live in any of these pink shaded counties, make sure you have a way to receive warnings just in case one gets issued for your area while you're asleep. We'll be keeping a very close eye on it. As that cold front continues to push south and east, just look how big that line of storms is, stretching all the way from near Abilene all the way to Chicago. For our area, we'll see that line of storms continue to move south and east through about midnight. Might see some activity for areas west of San Angelo. I think it's mostly going to stay to the east of San Angelo and Abilene. By about 3 o'clock, we'll still have the storms around. They'll continually weaken though. That's certainly some good news. And by daybreak Wednesday, we'll be dry. Behind the cold front, Wednesday honestly looks like a fantastic day in the weather department. Lows in the 60s, highs in the 80s. Might see some redevelopment to the west Wednesday afternoon. And then a cluster of storms moves through very early Thursday morning. Here's timecast pause Thursday at 9 o'clock. With that kind of cluster of storms right near I-20, those will move southward. And from the outflow of those morning thunderstorms, we could see some redevelopment in the afternoon. Some of that could be on the strong to severe side. Latest forecast from the Storm Prediction Center for Thursday has that 2 out of 5 slight risk just to our west and a 1 out of 5 marginal risk clipping portions of our viewing area. Wouldn't be shocked if we saw the Storm Prediction Center expand it into our viewing area. I do have a weather impact alert in effect for that chance of some quarter-sized hail and some 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. We're in June, meteorological summer. We're still seeing the storm chances though, so make sure you're staying weather aware. Be sure to download that Fox West Texas Plus streaming app on your smart TV, the Fox West Texas mobile app on your smartphone, and follow us on social media as well. We're working to keep you up to date. No storms right now in Abilene. You do see that thunder, you hear thunder. You see the lightning on our Abilene sky tracker. Sorry folks. It's been a long Tuesday. What can I say? Temperatures, yeah, it's a much cooler behind the cold front. 73 right now for you in Breckenridge. Compare that to 83 in Brownwood. If I had to take a pick of the week though, I'd say tomorrow behind the cold front. Check it out. Lows in the 60s. Not a bad day to get out on the golf course or any of those outdoor plans. Can't totally rule out an isolated storm. I kept it at 10% for your Wednesday. High of 83 San Angelo. High of 92 for your Thursday. I do have that red box though, weather impact alert for that chance of strong to severe thunderstorms. And overall, an active weather pattern into next week. You can find the full forecast online and the latest on social media. Bert?
On Weather Impact.